guys, welcome to another installment of our take-home craft kit series. We're going to be making a really beautiful mosaic terracotta pot today. Well, we're not making the pot, we're making the mosaic. Mosaic is a really fun craft you can do really with anything. It is the process of attaching broken pieces of something, be that tile or marbles or stones or seashells, to another piece, to a base. So today our base is a terracotta pot. I've got a couple examples of different types of mosaic that we've done in the past. This is on a stepping stone. This is a larger size pot. Really the possibilities are endless, and it's a really fun craft to get into and then explore the different media you can use. For this one, step one is to soak your terracotta pot. This is a porous material. It's not the same as mosaicing onto something that has a glaze or something that's not going to absorb moisture. When your base absorbs moisture, the best thing to do is to soak it so that it doesn't draw all the moisture out of your mortar, which we'll get into in a little bit. First, let's go into what your kit should include before we get started. This is what the kit looks like when you pick it up. It's going to include your terracotta pot, some written instructions that you can go over with a link to this YouTube video. Everybody gets mortar and grout. Mortar is essentially the glue. Grout is then the filler that you apply as the last step that fills in all the cracks and makes it one unified surface and helps seal it in so that those pieces don't wiggle out. So that's what these are. We also send you home with a sponge and all of your tile pieces. So these are the white background tile. You also get your flower petal tile and some leaves in here too. So I think we're just gonna jump right in. I went ahead and soaked this before we started. So I am going to